Steeg.
A Steeg! Guys, what is up? It's been too long, way too long since I vlogged. But it's a new day. We're here in Utah. It's been a while since I filmed here in Utah. We're not going to Salt Lake City kasi lagi tayo pumunta sa Salt Lake City. Sa ibang lugar tayo pupunta. We're going to Moab. So we're just meeting here with a group. I'm going with a bunch of strangers na hindi ko kilala sila except one. So this is gonna be adventure. Mag-hiking kami, magkikita kami ng mga nature stuff. You know, it's gonna be freaking great. So yeah, we're just here meeting. I'm not driving. Well, actually, I'm driving somebody else's car. So sana I'll get them to document the journey on the way down to Moab. It's like all red rock and cool. Makikita mo mamaya. So yeah, see, I'm only packing for one day, so I've only got literally just a backpack and then my hiking bag back there. So yeah, one day trip. This place is nice. Here in Moab. Tingnan mo. Grabe. Ganda, no? May CR. This place is well, these are all so close together.
Boys, you guys get the curly hair.
What?
I need to take a picture of this. Kaden, you guys have to sit on this. Sit in your bed.
What?
What, flowers?
Is this gonna be the room? This is the room? I'm changing my gender after sleeping in this room?
Unless you guys all want to sleep in the same bed together.
Come on, it's kind of hot.
This is cute. This is adorable.
Look at that. Is this a king bed? It's freaking huge. Damn, look at that. What's up? Magandang umaga, it's a new day here. Sorry, I didn't get much filmed yesterday because, well, it got dark super fast and I was driving. So we're here in Moab. I mean, look, it's all red. Nandito tayo sa condo, so yeah, it was cool. Kagabi, last night we went stargazing, or we tried to go stargazing. Just drove into this spot out in the middle of nowhere, but the moon was way too bright, so we didn't really get any good. It was okay, but wasn't there was pictures that looks way better if the moon is not there. So we'll have to come again sometime when there's no moon in the sky, so the stars light up crazy good. So that was a bummer, but you know, it was still fun. We got to drive by creepy cabins and stuff like that. So so today we're hiking someplace, hindi ko alam. But I'll bring you guys with me. I don't know where we're going. It's gonna be great though. Looks like it's not gonna be too hot of a day. There's lots of clouds. It's maganda yun. Tayo sa Canyonlands National Park. Oh gosh, I'm gonna fall. Where does this start?
I'm sure it starts over there and either way.
Can you say hi to your puppy?
So this is a big 8-mile loop. I guess you can go counterclockwise or clockwise. I don't know. I guess clockwise is the better way. But we can't find the trailhead because we're freaking stupid. Wait, where are we at? So right here. So we want to go.
Syncline Loop Trail.
Is there only one left?
And we go.
Oh, it goes up
just
around here.
disappears.
Ah.
Do we go to those overlooks or those?
We could. It says there's no crater view in the syncline.
I think
But we could do an overlook. But it's like a dead end. We have to call that.
Guys, it's the first time we've hiked on Red Rock in a long time. Yeah, this is our hike. Check it out. Stigning views now. Pass.
Is her name Lulu?
I don't know how
and
far
her
we
last
are.
name's Lemon?
Let's talk about Lululemon over here.
Is it 2 words or 1?
Check out our view, bro.
It's one word, I think. But it's
Yeah, this is the right one. It's too dried out,
Got
guys.
the cactus with the spoon. Tastes like being a cactus with a spoon. That's a sick shot, actually. Yeah, I'm in a sick spot. I mean, just sitting here off the cliff. But like, look at the view. Ganda. So far this hike is pretty freaking easy. And it's not hot, it's like cool. It's really nice, really nice. Okay, update, we're lost. Just kidding. We just don't really know. We think the trail goes down this way. Yeah, we thought it went down this way, but obviously it's not that way because that's where it's rock. I don't even know. We're gonna figure it out.
Oh, that's an open eye smiling one. You're not on the same page, Jeremy.
So what's the taste? Salty?
Salty.
You want to try it?
Tastes like kale. Oh wait, you don't eat it. You just suck on it.
Oh, you just suck on it.
It's not edible. It's just.
Should we try wildlife? Wild plants?
Cannibalism is frowned upon in most societies.
Salty. Ooh.
Sige. Itong halaman, pwedeng gamitin upang gumawa ng lubid o needle. Anong needle sa Tagalog?
Comment down below.
So you just turin sa baba. I don't know how to say any of these words in Tagalog. You cut it here at the tip. You just kind of fillet both sides. And then you can scrape fleshy stuff off of here, and it makes the ropey part. I'm bleeding all over the place. I'm stabbing myself way too much with this plant. Right, so there you go. You've got a needle on the end and then flexible cord attached to it. So if you needed to sew up some clothing, and I've actually used this to repair like a straw hat at one point, and you can poke it through with the needle on the end, and you can tie this off in knots like it'll knot just like rope does. And if you needed it to be longer, you can actually weave the fibers together to make a longer rope. And I've made like bracelets and stuff out of it before. Stig!
A stig!
I could be learning, you could be yearning to see what's behind these closed doors. But I promise you.
give you guys a quick update sa pag-akyat natin. Medyo mainit na walang clouds, puro araw na yon. So we have like little less than 5 miles to go. Di ko alam sa kilometer, hindi ako magaling mag-math. Pero yeah, napakaganda talaga yung mga pagkita dito. Katulad na to. Look at this 6 like staircase here.
Yes.
This goes
Yeah,
up.
I do.
There's
Are there yellow?
Okay, grabe. Taas na tayo. Like, tingnan mo saan tayo.
Rock that was the red.
ang ganda naman.
Ang ganda ng views dito, no?
Maybe.
Pinapawisan ako. Oh my gosh, hindi ako mahinga. Joke lang, okay naman ako. Mainit. Sobra, parang 30 degrees. Hindi ko alam Celsius, what it's called. Let's go. Climb.
Got it.
We'll go up here. Kind of cool.
Hope this is the right way.
Then are we
You
just
better
going that
freaking
way?
catch me, okay?
Oh,
I'm pretty sure we're close, but I don't see a ton of Karens.
I know.
Not right now, I'm good.
We had them just down there.
But like, I don't know where else he would go. To be honest with you.
Yeah, we just suddenly lost Karen.
Like, I have no other way to go.
For like 3 seconds, you want me to take that until we get right there and I will give it back.
I bet you there's like, just find a way up the mountain.
So I'm looking at this, and it's like there's a cliff on both sides. So there's only one way out of here. It's gotta be
Like right here somewhere, yeah. We're down going into a cave.
I'm not sure what he did.
I don't think we're on the right trail, but like, it works. Look at that.
You know what?
Go in.
Oh
Go
yeah.
on in.
Hey guys, this one
To the dark, the dark abyss.
Sabbath
That's where the mermaids are.
Ooh.
The doppelganger lives.
Ang sirena dito.
Oh.
Narinig ko ang kanta niya.
Where does this lead to?
Wow.
Okay.
Mysterious.
I'm down. Y'all, I feel like we're like bouldering, rock climbing. Kaden, give me a hand. I know you want to get me falling on video.
No,
but-
you're just put down a little more. Just step down. There you go. You're good. Boom.
Oh my gosh, I hope you got that. Ah, sorry! Close your eyes, Dust. This is really cool.
I know. This is sick. This is a way better way to
I
do
mean-
it.
Oh, yeah. That's where I got out.
Is that a better way to get out? Is
Oh,
that
yeah. I
a
was just
scramble?
exploring.
Wait. The yin and yang.
Tingnan mo. Zoom in.
Nandito ang araw ng mga Pilipino. Yung nasa bandila.
Kumanta ka ng national anthem.
Kayang mag-ilu.
Na 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 na. Hindi ko. Angela. Okay, we've made it up like a freaking huge rock. There comes the rain. Shoot.
Good timing.
So we're getting closer to out of this little rock area. I don't know, but it's starting to rain, so I'm gonna have to put this camera away so it won't get wet. Okay, the rain stopped, so I can bring you back out here into the world. So I think we're almost done. We had to go up the freaking steep hills now. But okay naman tayo. We've had some good conversations. Ang daming mga magandang scenery. Okay, man. Well, storms are brewing, so we're trying to go faster.
Baka may bagyo.
Bagyo.
Parating na.
Meron akong lupa sa loob ng mata ko.
Buhangin, di ba? Ang salita?
Buhangin?
Hangin
Yes.
sa mata dahil sa hangin. Buhangin, hangin.
Buhangin.
Very similar.
Yeah. So like tingin mo. Oh my god.
Oh my!
Woo! See, that's what we're trying to run for. Okay, so it's turned into a rainstorm now. As you can hear the thunder and lightning above us. So this is great. It was hot, now we feel good, right? We're all cooled off. Oh, it's cold now. But we're almost there. We're almost there.
Nothing.
Guys, flash flood. That's high. Oh no.